A notable 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck the northern coast of California early Tuesday. Preliminary data placed the center of the quake along the Pacific coast about 7.5 miles away from Ferndale, California. The quake was recorded at about 2:34 a.m. local time. The sheriff's office said there was widespread damage to roads and homes throughout Humboldt County.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.